Namaste everyone. We are Charith, Hruday and Abhinav from Excel Public School, Mysore, and we are excited to share our innovative disaster management project with you.
India faces numerous challenges when it comes to managing natural disaster, from earthquakes to floods. Our diverse nation requires unique solution to address communication breakdown during emergencies.
In recent times, we witnessed devastating disasters like the Uttarakhand landslides, where communication delays led to tragic consequences. Recognizing this gap, we embarked on a journey to create a solution, the Lifetime Project.
We interviewed Dr. Tara from NDMA and Professor Shekhar from NDIM to understand the challenges faced during rescue operation in remote areas.
Our interview highlighted the need for a robust communication system that can operate seamlessly in diverse terrains and during disasters.
Introducing LifeHam, a revolutionary disaster communication pillar designed to bring connectivity to all types of terrains.
This robust and versatile pillar can be easily installed in disaster-prone areas, providing a reliable communication lifeline during emergencies.
Let's talk about the key features of LifeHam. Firstly, it's solar powered and sustainable. Harnessing the power of the sun makes it eco-friendly and reduces the reliance on external power resources.
Secondly, we use HF radio technology. High frequency radio signals allow us to transmit audio over long ranges without the need of additional antennas.
Another crucial feature is the quick installation in all terrains. Designed for rapid development, LifeHam can be easily installed, ensuring a swift response to disaster-stricken areas. Sir, this is Chandra from Excel Public School. I wanted to just ask a question that from where are you talking and how far can this audio go?
While starting getting the question, I think from where I am operating is correct.
Yes, sir.
And to guarantee continuous functionality, the LifeHam is equipped with a backup power battery. This ensures the communication remains operational during even extended emergencies.
The user interface is simple and accessible. The pillar features a hand microphone that can be easily accessed by breaking open a protective enclosure, allowing effective communication during emergencies. To enhance public awareness, a continuous light signal illuminates in all four directions, serving as a visual indicator of the LifeHam device's presence during times of crisis.
We are selected amongst the top 400. We aim to integrate Internet of Things technologies into LifeHam. This will make our communication systems smarter and more adaptive.
A special thank you for our mentor, teacher, and fellow students at Excel Public School, Mysore for their support and encouragement.
Together, let's build a future where effective communication becomes a cornerstone in disaster management, saving lives and fostering resilience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, we can make a difference. Jai Hind.